suppose I'd better do one of these campsite tour thingies that people like to see when people go to campsites. So down here, oh, we've got a little robin following us. Not that you're going to be able to see it, but there it is. So down here we've got 3 pods. I don't know whether you can see in there. Looks like they've got a toilet and shower in there. Double bed. Induction hob and all that sort of stuff. Looks very nice. So there's 2 that size, and then there's a smaller one just at the end, which you've seen because that's where Tom and Brooke are staying. These 2, minimum stay £500 for 3 nights. The one at the end's £80 a night. So we've got, I think there's 20 hard standing pitches. I think ours is probably the smallest one, so you'll not get like a van like Conrad's or a big motorhome in there. Toilet block. Let's go and have a look at the toilet block. You've got men's, women's, wash up facility, notice board on there, just a little bit of information about the area, and if you want to need assistance you can ring the doorbell. Looks like they've got some hook-up cables if you forget one. Oh, there's the men's toilets. There's female toilets. Baby changing. Laundry. Dishwashing. Let's have a look in here, shall we? Two wash machines, dryer, and it's £4.50 and £5 for, and that's, they've got an honesty box and stuff like that. And they're check, see whether there's anybody in the men's toilet before I just go bursting in with a camera, so I'll do that. Right, so I'm going to show you the men's toilets, which very clean. 2 toilets, 2 showers, 2 sinks. Hi everybody. Men's toilets, I dare say the women's are the same, but yes, all nice and clean. So overall, quite good. Right, down here we've got what we got down here. What we got down here. An area there for tents with, there's a couple of pictures that look like they've got services, electric and stuff like that. And we've got a service station here for motorhomes, Elsan Bike and stuff like that. Bike and dog wash, that's novel. Yeah, you go mountain biking, you can wash them off there. And we've got an Elsan Bike there with hose pipe. Yep. Plenty of drinking water knocking about. So each pitch has got its own drinking water tap. There we have it. But I mean, we're paying £29 a night without electric, but you're paying for that view.